Hi, I'm Chase Gardner, and at Trex Rain Escape, we're often asked the question, can I paint my Trex decking? When it comes to painting, the answer is a clear no. The later generations of Trex decking, including Trex Transcend, Trex Enhance, and Trex Select decking lines, are not designed to be painted. And I'll let you know why. Trex decking is a wood fiber and polymer composite material. In 2010, Trex introduced this high-performance composite material that doesn't need to be painted. PVC caps protect the decking boards, and paint does not bond well with this plastic. Also, once you paint a composite deck board, it loses the low-maintenance quality, and you will then be required to paint the deck every few years. One reason that homeowners like Trex is because it's low maintenance. Trex decking never requires refinishing and will not rot, splinter, or warp. It is resistant to mildew, and you won't see it fade in the sun either. One of the best things about Trex decking, it can take a beating and still look good as long as it's regularly cleaned and maintained. Another major reason not to paint Trex decking is that it will void the warranty. If paint, solvents, or other coating materials are applied to a Trex deck, the warranty is no longer valid. Cleaning a Trex deck is very simple. All that is required is warm soapy water and a soft bristle brush. For specific instructions, please refer to our video on how to clean Trex decking. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful deck tips.